Hello, this is a short video in which we are going to learn how to add virtual machine operating system to your GNS3. Okay, so you can give it a name, suppose VirtualBox. So I am going to add my VirtualBox machine to my GNS3. Just click on OK. Okay, and then when you come here, you can go to Edit, go to Preference. Then you can see VirtualBox VM. Just click on VirtualBox VM, then click on New. Then from here you can select the operating system which you have already installed inside your virtual machine. So I want to add this one, RHEL5 CLI GNS3, this one. Just click on Finish and done. Now you need to make a minor change. You need to click on Edit and then go to Network. And then here you have to allow GNS3 to use any configured VirtualBox adapter. Click on OK, Apply, OK, and done. Now you can use your GNS3 to connect with your Linux machine which is installed inside VirtualBox. You simply select them, just click them, select the wire, you connect them, and once you on from here at the top, you just make it on, yes, and what you will notice, the VirtualBox machine will automatically start. See, just allow here. And you can notice that my Linux machine has been automatically started, which is installed in my virtual machine. And now you can connect, your GNS3 is connected with your real machine, Red Hat machine, which is installed inside GNS3. So this is the way to connect your VirtualBox any operating system to your GNS3. Thank you. Thank you for watching.